Hello everyone, welcome to the next session on operations research. In this session, we will discuss the type 4 numerical on dynamic programming, that is on cargo loading problem. In a cargo loading problem, there are 4 items of different weight per unit and different value per unit as given below. The maximum cargo load is restricted to 17. How many units of each item to be loaded to maximize the value? So here you can see there are 4 items. This we have to divide and distribute such that total of maximum cargo load is equal to 17. So we have to decide these units of each item that would sum up to 17. The weight per unit Wi in kg per unit is given. For item 1 it is 1, for 2 it is 3, for 3 it is 4 and for 4 it is 6. The value per unit of each item in rupees per unit is also given. For item 1 it is 1, 2 it is 5, 3 it is 7 and 4 it is 11. So we will see how to solve this problem. First of all, you need to understand that in dynamic programming, the problems are solved in stages. So we have to solve in 4 stages over here because there are 4 items given. So I'll write down. It is a 4-stage problem and the stage will depend on the number of items. So you can write down number of stages is equal to the number of items, that is 4. Then number of unit in item I is AI. That is for each of them how many units I require. And we also know that maximum cargo loading is equal to 17. This is given to us. Now when I talk about stage 1, number of units, AI will be A1. It is calculated as W upon W1. Now W is this value 17 upon W1, that is weight for the first item is 1. You can see over here. So divide by 1 is 17. Therefore, A1 will start from 0 and go up to 17. You can allocate 0 also, right? Quantity to the first item. And also it is given that P1 is 1 rupee per unit. So this data is also given to us. Similarly, we will calculate for rest 3 of them. So I'll write down stage 2. Here I have to calculate A2. It is W upon W2. W is 17. W2 is 3. So this is equal to 5.6. So this is approximately equal to 5. Therefore, A2 will start from 0 and go up to 5. The value of P2 is given over here as 5. You can see here it is rupees 5 per unit. For stage 3, A3 is W upon W3, that is 17 upon 4. This is equal to 4.25. Again, I'll approximate this to 4. Therefore, A3 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Value of P3 as it is given here is 7. So it is rupees 7 per unit. And in stage 4, I'll calculate A4, W upon W4. So it is 17 upon 6. So this becomes 2.83, which is approximately equal to 2. Therefore, A4 is 0, 1, 2. and value of P4 is rupees 11 per unit. Now once you have calculated all of these, you write down let F1 x1, F2 x2, F3 x3 and F4 x4 be the loaded items at stage 1, 2, 3 and 4 respectively. So now we'll make a table. You'll start with x1, then you'll write down stage 1. Here your W1 is 1 and P1 value is also 1. Here you will write down A1 and value of F1 x1. Then I'll write for stage 2. Value of W2 is 3, P2 is 5. So we'll write down A2, F2 x2. Then I'll go for stage 3. This is W3 is 4, P3 is 7. So here I'll write down A3, F3 x3. Then I'll write down stage 4. We have W4, value is 6, P4 is 11. So here I'll write down A4 and F4 x4. And finally you will calculate Fi xi. Here you will write down all the values up to 17. Now you know that for stage 1, the value of A1 is going to start from 0 and it will end up to 17. So here also you can write down this value. I am writing at the top because I don't have space here. So you can write down this value before this row. For stage 2, A2 is starting from 0 and it goes up to 5. Stage 3, A3 starts from 0, ends at 4, and at stage 4, A4 value is 0, 1 and 2 because these values are what you require. Now when you see that the value of A1 is from 0 to 17, you can just write down the value here right in front of this x1. When your value of A1 is 0, that is no units, this value of loaded cargo will also be nothing. So it is 0. When I have this value as 1, so this value over here is also 1. When this value is 1, the price is 1. So here I'll write down this is just 1. Then this is 2 and this is 1 for each unit. So this will be 2. And similarly, if you multiply, because this value is 1, so all the values will be repeated. Next, over here in the value of A2, the value of A2 is actually from 0 to 5. Okay, and here the value of weight is 3. So you will write down each number thrice. So you will start this way: 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5. So that's how you are going to write it. You write down each number as per the weight. So it is thrice. Here the weight was 1, so each number was written only once. Now when I have to calculate this, the value of A2 is 0. So nothing is to be allocated in front of this. This is also 0. This value for 3 of it is 5. So since this is also 0, nothing, nothing. This is 1. And here if you see, this number is 3. So when this value of weight will be 3 over here, this value of x is 3 over here. When you substitute, you can see that this value of weight of 3 quantities is 5. So when x3 is this value 3, this value is now just 5. Then this is 4 in quantity. So here you will see that this value is actually division of 3 plus 1. That makes it to 4. For 3 quantity, the price is 5. And for 1 quantity, if you check here in the stage 1, the value is just 1. So this sums up to 6. Again, this is just 1. So here you can check. This is 5. So I will divide 5 as 3 plus 2. I am dividing with reference to 3 because I know that for the weight of 3, the value is 5. It is like you pick up 3 items and you are going to pay rupees 5 per unit of weight. So that is why you are writing in terms of 3 plus something. So this is now for 3 units, value is 5. For 2 units, you can check over here, price of 1 unit is 1. So this is 2, so this becomes 7. Next here, if you see this is 6. 6 is going to be 3 plus 3. So 3 is 5 and for 3 is 5. So this becomes 10. Next, this value is 7 in the column of x. So here it will be 3 plus 1. That is why this is 10 plus 1, 11. Then this number is 8. So this will be 3 plus 3 plus 2. So this is 10 plus 2, 12. Then for 9, this will be 3 plus 3 plus 3. So this becomes 15. Then you have number 10. So it is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1. Now whatever I am writing in the brackets, please don't write it anywhere. This is just for your reference, the one which I am writing in the bracket. You can rub it off at the end. I am just writing because I want to show you how I am getting this value in the column of fx. So this will be 15 plus 1, that is 16. Then the next value is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2. So this will be 15 plus 2, 17. This is 12. So it is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. The summation is 12. So this is 3. Weight of 3 makes it 5. So 5 fours are 20 over here. Then next value is 13. So this will be 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1. So this is 20 plus 1, 21. For the 14 number, this will be 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2. So this becomes 20 plus 2 is 22. Here you have 15. So it is just 5 times 3. So this is 5 5s are 25. Then here you will have 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1. So this becomes 25 plus 1, 26. And last value, as you have understood by now, will be 25 plus 2, 27. So these are the values. Now, next for stage 3, you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Weight is 4. So what you will do is you will repeat each number 4 times. So you will start from here 0, 0, 0, 0, 4 times. 1, 1, 1, 1. Then you have 2, 2, 2, 2. Then you have 3, 3, 3, 3. And lastly you have just 4 twice. Now 2 more 4 cannot be written, so it's fine. You can leave it to that. For 0 units, there is no allocation. So this will be just a dash. Then you start where the number is 1 and you can see corresponding value to the left is 4. So as you can see, for 4 the value is 7. So I'll just write down this is 4. So value is 7. Then next value is 5. So this will be 4 plus 1. So this will be 7 plus 1, 8. Then you have 6 over here. So it is 4 plus 2. So it is 7 plus 2. is equal to 9. Then you have 7. So this will be 4 plus 3. Now be careful. For 3 units in the previous case, together we have seen that the price is 5. So this is 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. This is not like 3 units, 3. So this will be price for 3 weight per unit is 5. So that's why I have written plus 5 is 12. Next value is 8. So this will be 4 plus 4. So this will be 7 plus 7, 14. Next value is 9. So it is 4 plus 4 plus 1. So this will also be 14 plus 1, 15. Next value is 10. So this is 4 plus 4 plus 2. This will be 14 plus 2 is 16. Then you have 11. So this is 4 plus 4 plus 3. So this will be 14 plus 3 corresponds to 5. So this will be 19. Then you have value over here as 12. So it is 4 plus 4 plus 4. 7 threes are 21. The next value is 13. So it is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 1. So this will be 21 plus 1 is 22. Then you have number 14. So it is 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2. This will be 21 plus 2 is 23. Then the number is 15. Be careful, this will be 21 plus 5. So the summation will be 26. Then the value is 16. So it is 4 times 4. So it is 7 fours are 28. And here you have 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 1. So this will be 28 plus 1 is 29. And then we'll go for the last stage. Here there are 3 values. This weight is 6. So you will write down each number 6 times. So I will start with 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times I've written. Then I'll write down 1 6 times. So it is 1, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I have 2, 2, 3, 5, 6. That's it. So that's how you're going to write down. Now for 0, nothing. So just put a dash. Now here this value over here is 6, as you can see. So if this is 6, for 6 the price is 11. Then you go to the next one, the number is 7. So this is 6 plus 1. So this will be 11 plus 1 is 12. Then you have the next one as 8. So this is 6 plus 2 will be 11 plus 2 is 13. Then the next number is 9. So this will be 6 plus 3. So this value will now be 11 plus. For 3 weight the value is 5. So this is 5. This makes it to 16. Then the number is 10. So it is 6 plus 4. For this number 4 also there is an allocation, that is 7 price. So here I'll write down 11 plus 7 is 18. The next number is 11. So this value will be 6 plus 4 plus 1. So this now turns out to be 11 plus 7 plus 1 is 19. Next number is 12. So this will be 6 plus 6. So this becomes 11 plus 11 is 22 for each quantity. Then next number is 13. So I'll write down this is 6 plus 6 plus 1. So this becomes 22 plus 1 is 23. Then the next number is 14. So this will be 6 plus 6 plus 2. So this will be 22 plus 2 is 24. Next number is 15. So this is 6 plus 6 plus 3. So this becomes 22 plus 5, because for 3 it is 5. So this becomes 27. And then we have 16. So this is 6 plus 6 plus this is 4. So this will be 22. For 4 it is 7. So this becomes 29. And the last one is 17. So it is 6 plus 6 plus 4 plus 1. So this becomes 22 plus 7 plus 1. So this becomes 30. Now what you need to do is, once the table is done, you will have to calculate that in each row what is the highest value. Now if you check the first row, the highest value is this 0. In the second row, this is the highest value. Third row, this is the highest value. Fourth row, 5 is the highest value. In the fifth row, 4, over here you can see 4, 6, 7. So 7 is the highest value. This is 5, 7, 8. So 8 is the highest value. Then you have 6, 10, 9 and 11. So the highest value is 11. Then you have 7, 11, 12, 12. So the highest value is 12. Then you have 8, 12, 14, 13. So the highest value is 14. Then for 9 you have 9, 15, 15 and 16. So the highest value is 16. Then for 10, 16, 16, 18. This is highest. Then you have 11, 17, 19, 19. So both are highest. Then you have 12, 17, 21, 22. So this is highest. Then you have 13, 20, 22, 23. 23 is highest. So if you check each of them correspondingly, you can find out the highest value. Now in this column, what you need to do is, you need to write down all the highest values. So the first one is 0, second one is 1, then you have 2, then you have 5, then you have 7, then you have 8, then you have 11, then you have 12, then you have 14, then you have 16, then 18, 19, 22, 23, 24, 27, 29 and 30. So you have written highest value of each row. Now amongst all of these values in Fi, Xi, the highest value is 30. You have to choose where the value is highest. So for me, the highest value was the last one, that is 30. So now I'll write down the final answer, that total restricted cargo load is 17. The maximum value is rupees 30. Now if you see the row over here, you can see that this is divided as 22 plus 7 plus 1. So here I'll write down, this is nothing but 22 plus 7 plus 1, and this 22 in itself is also 11 plus 11. So this is the value. Now 11 in itself is also indicating the weight as 6. 11 is indicating the value as 6. For 7, this value of weight is 4. So this is talking about weight, this is talking about price, and this is just 1. So here I write down that I need 6 kgs of 2 units, because there are 2 of them, for 4 kgs weight, I need 1 unit, and 1 kg, I need 1 unit. So this is my answer. So if you add this, you will see that this summation is actually 17, this value. So with this, I end the session. I hope you have understood the numerical on cargo loading problem of dynamic programming. If you have any doubts, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.